guys, Instagram is one of the most popular social media apps out there, but what to do if it's not working? In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram app not opening. You'll learn how to troubleshoot the problem and get the app up and running again in no time. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Google Play Store and here you have to search for Instagram. Then at the right of the Instagram, it will either says open or update. If it says open it means that you are using the latest version of the Instagram application, but if it says update, so you need to update your Instagram application in order to fix the bugs and glitches in them. And if you can't open up the app, it could be a bug or something prevented you from doing that, so simply updating your app should solve it. Once you have updated your app, you have to go back and open up the phone settings. In the settings, you have to scroll down and you have to tap app management. Here you have to go to apps. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Instagram. After opening the Instagram, you have to tap on the storage and cache. Here you have to clear the storage or clear all of the data for the Instagram. So after doing this, it will clear out all the corrupted data that might be collected over the time by the app, and this will not affect your Instagram account. It will just log out of your app. So go back and tap on the permissions, and here you have to allow all of the permissions to Instagram, and hopefully after going this process you can use your Instagram app normally. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.